Yeah, so the focus was on social media and using that platform for VAFA clubs to be able to interact with their fans and sponsors and players and admin staff of football clubs. So it was a really hands-on type of sort of project that we've just commenced, and that'll obviously lead into the next 2 years of the course as well, which will be working very closely with the clubs in groups. Which again is great experience for us as well. Once we finish up the course, it's going to hold us in good stead for our employability, and it's good fun as well because most of the people in the course are all footy fans as well. So working with inside footy clubs is a great experience too. You know, you get to meet new people as well, and your networking, especially I find these days, especially in the industry, is so important. Meeting new people as well, which can open up new doors outside of university that you might not have found.